People across Taiwan were shaken up today as a magnitude 7.2 earthquake struck at 1:23 p.m. off Taiwan's northeast coast at a depth of 271 kilometers.
Today's quake was described by experts as a normal release of energy, but one suggests it could be a precursor to something bigger.
A bit after 1 p.m., the ground suddenly started to shake under this plumbing and electric shop located in Yilan County, giving its owner a huge scare. This magnitude 7.2 earthquake's epicenter was located in the sea off Taiwan's northeast coast, and its effects were felt throughout the island.
The large amount of energy released in the earthquake was equivalent to that of 32 atomic bombs.
However, with the quake occurring at a depth of 271 kilometers below sea level, the strongest tremors felt by members of the public were of a magnitude of 4 at most.
I wouldn't be worried, because this is a normal release of energy. Last century, a magnitude 8.1 earthquake with an epicenter at the same location occurred in 1910. But that quake was actually 30 times more powerful than the one today. So the energy of today's quake was only 1/30th of the earlier one.
Professor Li Shiti did go on to express concerns that the 100-year interval separating these two earthquakes with the same epicenter could foreshadow a magnitude 8 quake in the near future.